Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Lincoln MKZ. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped with remote start functionality. You can typically use your key fob or the Lincoln Way app. We'll cover both methods, providing clear steps for each. This guide will help you confidently start your car from a distance, enhancing your comfort and convenience, especially in extreme weather conditions. To remote start your Lincoln MKZ using the key fob, begin by pressing the lock button once. Immediately after, press the remote start button twice. This button often features a circular arrow icon. Ensure these presses occur within 3 seconds. Your vehicle's exterior lights will flash, and the engine will start, running for about 10 to 15 minutes before automatically shutting off. For a more advanced remote start experience, use the Lincoln Way app. First, download the app and log in with your Lincoln account. Select your MKZ from the dashboard. You'll see an engine icon. Tap this to send the remote start command. The app provides confirmation and allows you to schedule starts or adjust climate settings, offering greater control over your vehicle's environment. Remember a few key tips for successful remote starting. Always ensure your hood is completely closed, as a safety feature prevents starting otherwise. Your fuel tank should have enough fuel, typically at least 1/4 full. If your vehicle doesn't start, check for any warning lights on the dashboard. The key fob range is usually around 300 feet, but can vary based on surroundings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.